my channel. So today I'm gonna show you how to uninstall the window builder. Okay, so here you see that I have a window builder, but I don't wanna keep it, so I go to the help, and you see there is an option Eclipse Market. Just hit here and you will see there are few options right here. So one more things guys, if you wanna install something, you just come over here and you're gonna install whatever you like, whatever you need. So for uninstall, so you have to click right here, installed option, and here we see that window builder current. So uninstall this, hit the right here arrow, and you see there's three option. Just hit the uninstall, and here you see, so just make it confirm. It's gonna be take a few seconds. Right here, so hit the finish, and you have to restart again your Eclipse. So after restart again Eclipse, you see the option is window builder is gone. So this is how you gonna uninstall your window builder guys. See you in the next video.